This beautiful, almost new Mystique, September 30th, 2025, located in the active 55-plus community of Stone Creek by DelWebb, provides 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, an additional flex room/den, paver drive and entry walkway, custom interior color palette, honeycomb window shades throughout, luxury vinyl wide plank flooring throughout main living areas, tile flooring in laundry and baths, and plush carpeting in the bedrooms. The added custom wood window casings throughout the home give a more luxurious finished look, plus the numerous additional upgrades create a truly move-in ready space, perfect for a more relaxing lifestyle. The flex room is an added bonus with custom ceiling-to-floor and wall-to-wall built-in solid birch bookshelves and is a perfect space for a library, office, TV room, music or craft room, etc. The possibilities are endless. The spacious adjoining living room and dining areas are light and bright with multiple windows, sliding glass doors to the covered lanai, and a stunning crystal chandelier. This open floor plan provides ease of entertaining throughout the adjacent spaces with additional eat-in kitchen seating possible at the island. The upgraded kitchen is equipped with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and new refrigerator, 36 inches tall upper cabinets with crown molding and beautiful upgraded pulls with soft close hinges, double chrome Rev-a-Shelf pull-out lower shelves, dual trash bins, and upgraded large single-bowl stainless steel sink with pull-out faucet on large center island, plus an ample walk-in pantry closet, which creates a well-appointed cook's haven. The owner's bedroom provides an ample retreat with an artistic ombre accent wall and a luxurious ensuite owner's bath containing a tiled walk-in shower with built-in bench and upgraded frameless shower glass and door, dual sinks in a wide quartz-topped vanity with upgraded pulls and soft close hinges, a spacious walk-in closet, a private commode, and a conveniently located linen closet. The much-sought-after guest bedroom provides a comfortable private retreat for visitors with additional closet space and convenient access to the adjacent 4-piece guest bath, which has an upgraded chrome rain shower head and matching handheld fixture, plus a single vanity cabinet with soft close hinges, upgraded pulls, and a quartz countertop. The expansive indoor laundry room is equipped with a new washer and dryer pair, handy shelving, and a very large HVAC/utility closet providing additional valuable storage space. A one-of-a-kind custom-built drop zone area in the laundry/garage hallway features a gorgeous stacked stone wall, a built-in solid birch bench seat with shoe cubbies for convenient access and tidy storage. The sizable 2-car garage boasts an energy-saving hybrid water heater and a pre-plumbed water softener stub, plus a generous alcove area perfect for tandem golf cart parking, workshop, home gym, sports equipment, or extra storage.